Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there lived a boastful hare named Hare and a humble tortoise named Timmy. Hare the hare was always bragging about how fast he could run, while Timmy the tortoise quietly went about his day in slow and steady steps. One sunny morning, Hare teased Timmy, saying, "You're so slow, Timmy. I bet I could beat you in a race without even breaking a sweat." Timmy, tired of Hare's boasting, softly replied, "Let's have a race then. We'll see who reaches the old oak tree across the river first." The forest animals gathered around, excited for the race. The fox was chosen to be the judge. The fox counted down, "On your mark, get set, go." Hare the hare zoomed off, leaving a trail of dust behind him. Timmy the tortoise began at his steady pace, unwavering and calm. Hare was so far ahead that he decided to take a nap under a shady tree. "I'll wake up, and Timmy will still be miles behind," he thought as he closed his eyes. Meanwhile, Timmy continued his steady walk, slowly but surely getting closer to the old oak tree. The birds chirped, cheering him on, and the butterflies fluttered around him as if guiding him along the path. Hours passed, and Timmy never stopped or looked back. He believed in his own pace and determination. As the sun began to set, Hare woke up with a jolt. "Oh no, I must have overslept," he exclaimed, quickly darting towards the finish line. By the time Hare arrived, it was too late. Timmy the tortoise had already reached the old oak tree and was surrounded by the cheering forest animals. "Congratulations, Timmy, you've won," they shouted with joy. Hare hung his head in shame and walked over to Timmy. "I guess I learned my lesson," Hare admitted. "Slow and steady really does win the race." Timmy smiled and replied, "It's not always about being the fastest, Hare. It's about perseverance and believing in yourself." From that day on, Hare the hare was a little less boastful and a lot more humble. He and Timmy became good friends, and they often talked about their memorable race under the shade of the old oak tree. And so, the moral of the story was spread throughout the forest: slow and steady wins the race.